Hi and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about food chains. Firstly, we need to know what is a food chain. A food chain is a series of living things where each one eats the next. Food chains begin with energy from the sun. Using sunlight, water and air, plants can begin to grow. It can rain quite a lot in the United Kingdom, but there is also a lot of sunlight. This combination of rain and sun is perfect to grow crops like wheat and a variety of flowers, trees and plants, including grass. Plants use this energy to produce their own food. In a food chain, plants are known as producers. Animals and humans cannot produce their own food. Some animals, like this snail, only eat plants. They are known as herbivores. Some animals, like this mouse, eat a combination of plants and other animals. They are known as omnivores. And some animals, like this owl, only eat other animals. They are known as carnivores. None of these animals are able to produce their own food, and in a food chain they are known as consumers. In this food chain, the sun provides the energy for the grass to grow. The grass uses this energy to provide its own food. The caterpillar eats the grass and the bird eats the caterpillar. The caterpillar and the bird are both consumers. Look at these pictures. Can you put these images in the right order to create a food chain? The food chain begins with energy from the sun. The grass uses this energy to produce its own food. The mouse eats the grass, and the owl eats the mouse. The sun provides the energy, the grass is a producer, and the mouse and the owl are both consumers. Can you put these pictures in the right order to show a food chain? The food chain begins with energy from the sun. This helps the grass to grow. The rabbit eats the grass and the fox eats the rabbit. The sun provides the energy. The grass produces its own food, and the rabbit and the fox are consumers. For your hands-on activity, use pictures to show different food chains, thinking about where the energy comes from, which living things are producers, and which living things are consumers. For more information about this activity and more activities related to habitats, please go to handsoneducation.com, Year 2, UK Habitats. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!